Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is iatros. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is iatros. In English, iatros means physician, a healer, one who restores health. In Luke chapter 5 verse 31, Jesus tells the Pharisees, "Those who are well have no need of a physician, iatros. But those who are sick do." Here, Jesus presents himself as the true iatros, the physician of souls, who comes not for the righteous, but for sinners. The Gospel of Matthew also records the people saying of Jesus, "He took our infirmities and bore our diseases." Matthew chapter 8 verse 17. The healing God gives is not only physical, but spiritual. Ano itong paghilom na dinadala ni Jesus? Nagbibigay ito ng kabuuan, yung pagiging buo ng tao. Nagbibigay ito ng pagpapatawad, and then it restores. From this Greek root, we get words like iatric, no? Yung mga may suffix na iatric, psychiatrist, di ba? Pediatrician, and all those other words that have that particle. They're all pointing to healing care. Pero para sa ating mga Kristiyano, ang dala nito salita na ito ay mas malalim. Pinapaalala sa atin na si Jesus, patuloy siyang naghihilom. He continues to heal us through the sacraments, especially in reconciliation and the Eucharist. And that He calls us to share in His mission of healing a wounded world. Ito yung hamon sa buhay natin. Paano natin isasabuhay itong salita na ito? Maybe by being instruments of compassion, bringing encouragement to the weary, forgiveness to the hurt, hope to those broken in spirit. Nagiging gamot tayo. Dear brothers and sisters, Christ is the divine physician who heals our souls. And through us, He desires to touch others with His healing love. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.